Hi guys, so it has been a while since I've made any calculus videos, so I'll be updating my calculus playlist with some proofs of the rules that we use while evaluating derivatives. So today we'll be proving this result, that the derivative of sum of two functions f of x and g of x is equal to the sum of the individual derivatives. Okay, so derivative of f of x plus derivative of g of x. So the same goes for the difference of two functions. So derivative of f minus g will be equal to derivative of f minus derivative of g. So we'll be proving this using the definition of a derivative, which says that if you have any function y, so the derivative of y with respect to x is limit as delta x tends to 0 y of x plus delta x minus y of x divided by delta x. So I've shown why is this the case in one of my previous videos. You should check it out. Now since we'll be using f of x plus g of x many times, it's better to write f of x plus g of x as some function u of x. Okay, now what will be u of x plus delta x? So x plus some increment in x, it will be f of x plus delta x plus g of x plus delta x. So we have simply just changed x to x plus delta x. Okay, and now we need to calculate d by dx of f of x plus g of x, so du by dx. Okay, this will be from our definition of derivatives, limit as delta x approaches 0 u x plus delta x minus u of x divided by delta x. Now we will be just using these two results right here. U of x plus delta x is f of x plus delta x plus g of x plus delta x minus u of x, and u of x, this is how we define u of x, will be f of x plus g of x. Okay, and the whole thing divided by delta x. Now to make things easier, we'll be combining terms involving f of x like this. So limit delta x approaches 0 f of x plus delta x minus f of x, okay, plus g of x plus delta x minus g of x, okay, and the whole thing divided by delta x. Why are we doing this? You will see that in a minute. So from this we get limit delta x approaches 0 f plus x plus delta x minus f of x divided by delta x plus g of x plus delta x minus g of x divided by delta x. Now you have two limit of sum of two functions, okay, and this will be the same as the limit of this function plus the limit of this function. So we get limit delta x approaches 0 f of x plus delta x minus f of x upon delta x plus limit delta x approaches 0 g of x plus delta x minus g of x upon delta x. And this again is nothing but our definition of derivative with y replaced with f. So this is basically df by dx, and this is nothing but dg by dx, and u is also f plus g. So finally from this we can say that derivative of f of x plus g of x will be equal to derivative of f of x plus derivative of g of x. And same goes for minus sign. So if we have f of x minus g of x, your u will be f of x minus g of x, u of x plus delta x will be the same thing with a minus sign. You will be doing basically the same steps, and you will get f of f minus g is equal to derivative of f minus derivative of g. So today I showed you how to prove this result. In future videos I'll show you how to prove other rules, for example the product rule and the quotient rule. Till then, stay tuned.